Welcome back to Crow Rose Studio
for season 2 of Will It Crimp. Unfortunately, with this crimper, it won't crimp. We already know that. So, we got a new one. Will It Crimp?
So what's up first?
We are retrying the putt-putt card that we did last time in, I think, episode known as Pain and Disappointment or something. So, you ready?
Get our slow-mo cam ready.
I think it did the same thing.
It just passed straight through.
It's immune. Don't break it.
Okay. We'll do that another time.
We'll find a way at some point.
So, that one was a fail.
Only kind of.
So next up, we have
The tube.
a tube of paper towel rolls. Just fold the end of it. And then get on with the crimping. That's the sound of a pretty decent crimp.
It is. I'd say it will crimp.
It did crimp.
It doth crimp.
Something like that.
Okay, so next up, we have a Lego piece. Just a little one. It's a baby Lego piece.
A little smooth one, you know.
Why not? Try that again. Try opening it and then, like, putting it in slightly. User error.
Let's try from this side.
Okay. It went away.
Shot across the room. I don't think it wants to be crimped.
No.
So
although
I'd say
it did.
That's a fail.
It kind of did.
If you could see right along the edge.
You're holding it too far away. Bring it
the
closer.
light,
Oh.
you don't get the light.
Yeah. Okay, well, yeah, you can kind of see it. Okay. Went away.
So next up we have
A pencil. You might be questioning us with this, but it might crimp. You never know.
Should we do it from the back, do you think?
I think so.
Because that way it starts a bit better.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it's made in China.
I guess.
Oh, there goes some of the lead.
Seriously? Learn to crimp. You want me to do it?
Starting, it's just the hard part.
Ready?
Yep. That looks like a success.
It crimps.
And a bit of a mess as well.
Just wipe it off. We'll vacuum it up later.
I'll just make it in a pile. Thanks. That looks like a success.
So, can anyone guess what's next? I'll give you one word. Sparkly. Hopefully. Yep, it's back.
Again. So we gotta use our safety gear.
To be safe.
We don't want anyone losing any eyes.
You know, maybe Gabe, but he's not here right now.
Wow, okay.
What? It would
Alright.
be good content. That was a joke, don't worry, Gabe. Okay. You ready? Am I in frame?
Yep.
Sweet.
A bit lower, maybe.
A bit lower. How about there?
I think so. Alright.
You ready?
We are go.
Come on, CD. This is personal. Should I do it from the other side?
Sure.
The more powerful side. No, it's not going to get past the thing going that way. So we should do it this way then.
Just put it halfway in like that. I think that's going to be enough.
Wait. I will do this. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work.
Nope. Well,
Oh, look, it's
some
on
of
the
this
table a
stuff
bit. Yep.
scratched off a little.
My eyes are fogging.
We don't get to add it to a bag of Concord CDs. We'll just have to, I don't know, add it to the putt list of getting rid of.
Actually, we should put it on the wall. We should frame it.
There's an idea. Alrighty. So here is our list. As you can see, I divided it into Season 1 and Season 2.
Someday, maybe even Season 3.
Maybe eventually.
Maybe, probably.
So what was up first?
First up was the Invincible card of Invulnerability.
Yep. So,
It's unbreakable.
that failed. What
Good
did we name
job,
it
Fun
last time?
Center Putt Putt.
Putt card. Alright, what was up next?
Next up was
Cardboard, right?
Paper Towel Roll.
And that crimped.
Yeah, it's fake crimped.
So, paper, towel, cardboard.
Roll.
Roll of destiny. No. Alright, what was third?
Lego brick.
So what should we say for that? Do you want to say semi?
Yeah, semi-crimped.
Because it left a little imprint, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
So, Lego block. Alright, and then fourth was this pencil.
Yep.
And as you can see, that crimped pretty well. And last, and certainly most hated, the CD, which only a little bit of stuff came off.
I mean, the back's kind of messed up.
Yeah, but it's still
I wonder if it would actually, like, work still.
blinding the camera.
No, more blinding me. Please stop.
Alright, so, once again, the CD.
So maybe these things just aren't crimpable.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
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 And, see you next time.
Bye.